The manual states that it needs to be 8 to 10 inches, 8 to 12 inches away from the wall. It needs to be 12 inches from the ground, or including snowfall, which is 12 to 16. It needs to be at least 12 inches away from basement window. It needs to be 48 inches away from the opening of the bathroom window. It's right around 46 inches. Not the best showing, but right in there. It's not past 48. You see the old dryer vent there. In this picture, there's right to where that fence post is that's in the ground. That spot's a sweet spot between the bathroom window, the gas regulator on the left hand side, and the basement window. The wind blows in from the right hand side and blows to the left, and right where that fence post is basically the sweet spot, maybe a little bit to the left, just a little bit. Showing from the ground up to the actual end of the pipe is 17 inches. 12 inches minimum from the ground. I noted between, I think it was 12 to 16 or 14 to 16 inches of snowfall and drifting in that area. That is actually one thing that's okay to code. The old AC condenser just tossed over on its side. You can see the electrical work that's supposed to be in a conduit, the vent pipe, the 90 that's not glued on, the basement window, the one fence post, and the gas regulator. Of course, you can see the sliding glass door window on the right hand side, and the bathroom window just above. The wind comes in from the right hand and goes across the home towards the tree. Right now, all the exhaust is basically just getting blown right over into the new AC condenser, which is the 13 SEER and not the 14 SEER that was quoted and on the contract. Quick picture of the 90 just not installed. They come off pretty easy. Not glued. A couple days after installation, I got home. Cold, rainy, snowy weather, ice and everything else. I did have snow coming, not snow, but an ice dam or a bunch of icicles forming from the back of this 90 and headed back into where this brick has been pushed away from the wall of the home.